This is the Clever Suitcase Ramp, a great way to ease your power chair, mobility scooter or wheelchair in and out of your house or up and down any steps. The aircraft-grade robot welded aluminium construction makes this a robust yet lightweight ramp, so it's not too difficult to set up wherever you need it. It has a width of 28 inches and a loading capacity of 42.5 stone. It's available in 5 different lengths: 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 foot. It's simple to fold and unfold, and the centre-mounted handle allows you to transport the ramp with ease. Its lipped edges, non-slip surface and angled lip offer safety and peace of mind when using the ramp. The Clever Suitcase Ramp, part of CareCo's wider range of mobility aids. More details available at careco.co.uk. Pop into one of our showrooms or give us a call. Thanks for watching. Take care.